Okay, so do you want me to do the bladder too? Just go over everything on
Yeah.
it? Okay, I'll just do the whole thing. Okay, so bladder. And then the urethra. And this is the female bladder. This would be the male bladder and the male urethra. On both of them, there's the fundus. The trigone is the triangle, and then the neck is like the bottom as it goes into the urethra. There's an internal sphincter surrounding the neck of the bladder right at the top of the urethra, and it wraps around the urethra. This piece of muscle is the urogenital diaphragm, and there's another circular muscle that wraps around the urethra here called the external urethral sphincter, and then there's the orifice. On this picture, there's the scrotum surrounding the testes and the epididymis. This layer here is the tunica vaginalis, and then this outer layer is the spermatic cord, and that would be the spermatic arteries and veins. This is the bladder. This is the prostate gland. And then you can see a ureter coming down from here, and the perineum and the anus. Over here, the prostate gland from the front. Let's see, as the urethra goes through the prostate gland, it's the prostatic urethra. Where it goes through the urogenital diaphragm, it's the membranous urethra, so that's that little short piece right there. And then the spongy urethra all the way up to the orifice. The testes with the epididymis. The vas deferens or the ductus deferens right there, surrounded by the tunica vaginalis, surrounded by the spermatic cord. Over here, they've dissected out pieces of the testes so you can see it better. You can see the lobules, which are the yellow. The white septa are kind of the walls between the lobules. The retestes would be this network of tubules. It's like red, white, and blue here. The efferductules are these little tubes, these little stalks. And then the epididymis is this up here. Over here, this is a back view of the bladder and the prostate with the seminal vesicles, the ductus deferens or the vas deferens, and the ampulla. And then this is exactly like the model, so I won't use this. I'll use the model for that. For the female, this is exactly like the model, so I won't use that. I'll use the model instead. The only thing on the female I really use would be the bladder. That's it.